Welcome to Easy Solution. So guys, today we are going to see how can we use VLOOKUP function. So we have this table here and I want some data from this table to this table by using the VLOOKUP function. So here I will going to give my year value, and once I'll give the year value and correspondence of to that year, mobile and computer value will come into this cell. So let's start it. So in the year value, basically I don't have to do anything. I have to write the VLOOKUP formula in these two cell, mobile and computer. So I'm going to write my formula V lookup. Then first thing we need to give the lookup value. So lookup value will be the value, will be the cell where we're going to search for the item. So here this is my value. Then I need to give the table array. Table array means whatever data we're going to give here, the excel is going to search in where. So I want whatever value I put here, excel should search in this area. So this table area, entire table area is my table array. Then in this table area, I have television, mobile, radio, and computer. But in this cell, I want only for mobile. So I need to count my mobile column number basically. That is the column index number. So I have started my table from here. So this is my first column. Television is second, and in this case, mobile is my third column, right? So I'm going to place it 3 here, then comma again. Then you need to give 0 and 1. So 0 is for exact match, 1 is for approximate match. So I'm going to put it here 0 so that I can get a exact match result. So I can see as of now it is saying not available because I have not given the year here. So now if I give any year which is present in my table, so it's going to give me the correspondence value of mobile to that year, right? So you can see that this is mobile value of 2001. So this is 1028, right? Similarly I can do it for computer also. What I have to do, I have to write the function name first, vlookup, then lookup value. This in this case this is my year, then comma, then you need to pass the table array. So this table is going to be my table array, then comma, then column index number. As mobile was in third position, so radio in fourth, computer in fifth. So I need to write here 5, then comma, and 0 for exact match second. So now if I again enter, I can see the value for computer is 146. Similarly, I can change this to 2004 maybe, and you will get the values of mobile and computer for the year 2004. You can do one more thing here, like instead of this typing here, we can create a button here so that we don't have to type here. So to do that, you need to go to your data tab, and inside data tab you will find data validation. Now click on data validation. Now this cell format is like any value. So from any value we'll change it to list, and now we're going to give the source of the list. So these year values are my source. So again I'm going to click on this arrow button. Now it is done. Now you can see that I have this button here where I have all the data, and I can select from there directly. Now I don't have to type the years manually. So this is it. Thank you.